Hello friends, welcome to Enjoy Food and Travel. I hope you all are well. Today we are going to make red lentil kebab. For that you need 1 cup of red lentil. I've soaked in water for 3 hours, washed and drained. 1 medium sized onion finely chopped, half cup of coriander finely chopped, 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, salt to taste. This is a powder of black cardamom, green cardamom, cinnamon, whole black pepper and cloves, 3 green chilies finely chopped, and oil. So let's start our recipe. Heat oil in a pan. This is around 2 tablespoon oil. I'm going to add garlic first. Fry the garlic until it is golden brown in color. Once garlic is fried, I'm going to add tomato paste, 1 tablespoon. Mix it. Now add salt to taste. Add 5 spice powder. Mix it. Add green chilies. Now add lentils. Mix all the ingredients. Once everything is mixed, we are going to add 1 cup of water. We are going to let it cook on high heat until all water evaporates. Keep stirring in between. As this lentil doesn't take longer time to cook, and also having the fact we soaked in water for 3 hours, so it will cook very quickly. Also, we need to make sure there should not be any water left. Water should be completely evaporated from the lentils to make the good kebab. This is the most important step. Once the water is evaporated, add chopped onions, chopped coriander, mix it. Once onions and coriander are mixed in lentil, we are going to keep stirring on high heat, making sure there should not be any water left. It's dry now. I'm going to turn off the heat. It took me around 10 minutes to get this mixture. Now I'm going to let it cool and then roll it into kebabs. Once the mixture is cooled down, we are going to roll it in the form of kebab. So take a small mixture, just press it with your hands like this. Like this. just roll it like this. So like this. So this is the last one, it's ready as well. So friends, our delicious, nutritious, healthy lentil kebab is ready to serve now. You can enjoy with any dip of your choice. I'm having it with sesame and coriander. I have already shared this recipe with you. You can find the link in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Enjoy food and travel. Thanks for your time. I'll see you next time. Till then, happy cooking and happy eating.